Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make these really yummy vegan waffles. I've been showing clips of these on Instagram and have had quite a few of you request the recipe, and it's really easy to make, so I thought I would make a little video of it. This video is sponsored by the Fine Life Mister, which is what I use to coat my waffle maker with coconut oil. I will link it in the description box below with a discount code. Here are the ingredients I used for the waffle batter. I will also put all of this info in the description box down below. I find that waffles are a really forgiving recipe. As long as you keep the batter thick and not too watery or runny, you can add in other ingredients to your liking and they still come out great. I looked through different recipes online and made my own by combining a few of them that I liked. You're going to need a big mixing bowl and a measuring cup and a whisk or a fork to mix the batter. I'm adding in 2 cups of Bob's whole wheat pastry flour, 2 cups of soy milk. You can use any plant-based milk, almond milk or coconut milk. Now I'm adding in 1 very ripe banana, which will add sweetness to the batter. A pinch of salt, and I sprinkled in some cinnamon as well. I really love cinnamon, so I added a lot. And this is where you can get creative. You can add in some vanilla or almond extract or cocoa powder, whatever flavor you want to add into the waffles. Now I'm adding in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and depending on the type of flour you use, you might find that the batter feels a little bit too thick, so you can add in a splash of water like I'm doing here. Then I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and mixing it all together. Okay, so my batter is ready to pour. Now I've plugged in my waffle maker, which doesn't take long to heat up, and I'm getting the Fine Life Oil Mister ready. This allows you to get a really fine mist of a natural oil of your choice instead of using those store-bought chemical propellant oil sprayers. You can use it with olive oil, coconut oil. I also put lemon and lime juice in it and spray it on my salad. So here I'm pouring in my coconut oil and then twisting the cap back on. To get it to spray out a really fine mist, you pump the cap up and down a few times and it becomes pressurized. So I'm just going to spray a really fine mist over the plates of the waffle maker, and it's ready to pour in the batter. And make sure not to overfill it, or else batter will start pouring out of the sides of the machine, which gets really messy. On this machine, which I got for $3 at a second-hand shop, the waffles are ready when both lights on the top light up, and it usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. And voila! The waffles come out perfectly and not at all stuck to the machine. Another way I like to make them is savory, so you would leave out the cinnamon and the banana from the recipe, and on top of the waffles I put on some diced tomato, onion, avocado, lemon or lime juice with a bit of salt and chili flakes, and it's amazing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I will put a link with a discount code to the Fine Life Oil Mister in the description box if you want to check them out, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.